We had an open day at work recently, and we didn't want to just hand out some standard pens and keychains. We wanted to create something truly unique to give away. Hello everybody, welcome back to Do Metal Stuff. The result? This piggy bank, but there's a catch. It has a hidden maze built into it. Today I'm gonna show you how we made this from start to finish. The idea was simple. You can put money into it, but to get it out, you first have to find your way through the maze. We've chosen PVC because it looks great and it's easy to machine. We actually made them in 3 different colors: grey, black and red. So we machined this piggy bank with 3/10 of a millimeter tolerance, because you never know what's gonna be happening to these. We give it away to kids, and yeah, you know kids, right? The product took 8 minutes to fully completely be machined, and it was fun to do. So the last thing to do is assemble, and you can see on the picture I hammer in this little pin. This pin goes through the maze. So let's see. It's a pretty long maze, but it's fun for the kids. And there he is, close. So the idea was to open it a little bit. You can throw in your money and then close it up, so it will not fall out if you stack your money in here. So I live in Europe, and we have this €2 coin. So if you put in the €2 coins and stack it up to when it's full, you got €50 in your piggy bank. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I enjoyed making this and giving these away. I made like almost 200 of these. So yeah, it was a good day. See you around. Bye.